Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payouts on Whop so you can securely withdraw your earnings and manage your digital business revenue in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Balances dashboard. The first step is navigating to the financial hub of your Whop account, where all your pending and available funds are tracked. Log into your Whop dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar, and click on the Balances tab. From the submenu, Withdraw. In 2026, Whop centralizes all financial onboarding in the Balances section. This area serves as your command center for tracking revenue before it hits your bank, allowing you to see exactly what is ready for withdrawal versus what is still being processed by the merchant of record. Next, complete identity verification. Before Whop can legally send money to your bank or crypto wallet, you must verify your identity to comply with global financial regulations. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details, and you may need to upload a valid government ID, like a passport or driver's license. KYC is a mandatory security layer in 2026. This process prevents fraud and ensures that payments are being sent to a verified individual or business entity, which is required by law for Whop to operate as your payment processor. Lastly, add and link your payout method. Once verified, you need to tell Whop exactly where you want your money to go. You can also navigate them through the deposit feature, where you can select your preferred destination. Choose from card, Cash App, crypto, or bank transfer. Enter your account details or link your external wallet. Whop's 2026 proprietary payment stack supports over 240 territories. By linking a specific method, you are setting up the bridge for your funds. You can also set a default method here, which automates the destination for all future withdrawal requests. And that's pretty much it. To set up payouts in 2026, go to your dashboard, Balances, complete your verification, and add your payout method. Once your identity is confirmed and your method is linked, you can start withdrawing your revenue instantly or on a fixed schedule. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.